5 Best Microwave Oven 2018. Here is the product number 5. Sharp KB65 24PS 24-inch microwave. Size: 24-inch, color stainless. Sharp KB65 24PS stainless 24-inch microwave drawer. For more than 30 years, Sharp has been the name to trust for cooking innovations like the carousel microwave turntable. Sharp recently introduced the award-winning Insight range with the world's first microwave drawer oven. Here is the product number 4. LG LCRT 2010 Street 2.0 cubic feet countertop. The LG LCRT 2010 Street countertop microwave oven has 2.0 cubic feet rounded interior with 1,200 watts of power and a premium stainless steel finish. Get a microwave that cooks perfectly and looks good while doing it. With our patented True Cook Plus technology, it allows you to cook your food easily and perfectly every time. Here is the product number 3. Cuisinart CMW 201.2 cubic foot. Size: 1.2 cubic foot. Cuisinart presents a countertop oven that's the ultimate combination of size, style and smarts. The big, 1.2 cubic foot microwave convection oven and grill looks like it belongs in a high-end commercial kitchen. Brushed stainless steel and black frame, a sleek control panel that offers single and combination settings. Here is the product number 2. Panasonic NH765BF Genius 1.6 cuft. Available in black or white, this 1,250-watt microwave oven by Panasonic makes a stylish and convenient addition to any contemporary kitchen. The 1.6 cubic foot unit with its 15-inch turntable perfectly cooks and evenly heats anything from breakfast foods and after-school snacks to dinner-time meals and appetizers when entertaining. Here is the product number 1. Danby Designer 0.7 cubic feet countertop. Style: 7 cubic feet stainless. Danby 39. A 7 cubic foot countertop microwave is not only practical and economical at 39, stylish too. Available with a variety of today 39's most popular features, this handy microwave is well suited for the dorm room, office, cottage or kitchen. Check the description below for the links. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.